As I've gotten older, I've learned to value my peace just a little bit more. I've learned to take things one day at a time. I've learned to be thankful, to find the beauty in all circumstances. I've learned to appreciate just the smaller things in life that makes people happy. And that looks differently for everyone.
Yeah.
Peace. As I look at the birds around me today, the Bible reminds us that God provides for the birds of the fields, He provides for the animals. How much more us, His children? So it takes me back to why worry? Yes, you have the situation staring in front of you, but worrying will not change the outcome.
So the migration bringing back here now.
My peace is so important
Over
to
there and
me,
cold and
and I'm
still
learning
breeze.
how to appreciate the good, appreciate the bad, and just dwelling in the peace of the Lord.